Hey guys, welcome to Arihant Online Academy. In this video, we will learn about C variables. Guys, in this video, we will discuss C variables with very broad details. That what is its definition, what are the rules to apply C variables in your code, in your programming language, how to make program, and in programming language, how to implement variables, examples, types of C variables, and all the details regarding this. So guys, watch this video until the end and please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button so that in our future also when we will upload new content and new videos, you can get notification, instant notification from our side, in which we will also further add some kind of important job notifications, job alerts, and important current affairs, reasoning, quant, English, FT, everything. So please subscribe this channel. Now let's discuss about C variables. So what are C variables? For the purpose of basic understanding, let's discuss from the definition. So if an entity is changing while execution of the program, it's called as variable. For example, variable name is given to the location. Suppose it's a memory location. Okay. It's a memory location, and in this memory location, suppose the location, this is the location number 100 and this is location number 102. Suppose, and we are creating a name, suppose X, to this memory location. Okay, you can give any name to it. Now suppose we are giving it the value 5. Afterwards we have need some different value. Means here x equals to 5, but afterwards we need some different values. Suppose x equals to 10, then we will replace this value with 10. So this kind of entities which are changing continuously in program while execution of program is there, if in execution of program entity is changing, it's called as variable. So x is variable here. It's the basic concept. Now if you want to write definition, you can simply write like that: the entity which is changing while execution of program. Okay, while execution of program is called as C variable or variable. Okay, now types. Basically, there are also integer type variable, float type variable, real type variable, character type variable. So we will discuss about this in our examples. Okay. So types. Basically, the types are covered with keyword name itself. Okay. Suppose C variables are given like that, and suppose we are declaring it like int x equals to 5. Then it's integer type. If we are denoting it with k x equals to a, then it's a character value. If we are giving it name like float, suppose float f equals to 1.0 like that, then it's a float type C variable. Okay. Now we will discuss about rules and instructions and how to apply these rules in C variable. Now there are basically different rules. The number one rule is there. You can make combination of C variables in 1 to 31 letters. Means you can make any combination of 1 to 31 letters which can consist of alphabets, digits, or special symbols. But in special symbols, you can only add underscore. Okay, only underscore is available there. You can only add underscore, or you can only use underscore there. This is the rule of number. Means maximum length should be 31 characters. But some compilers also available or also provide 247 characters in a keyword value. But for the basic rule or for the strict rule, you should follow this rule because it will reduce your typing combo also. Okay, so rule number 2 is there. You should start your variable name with alphabet or with digit or with underscore, right? You can start your C variable name with alphabet or digit. Now, the rule number third is there. You don't have make space in that. Suppose you are creating variable name, suppose IND, and then you are space, then EAK. Then space is not allowed here. Space is not allowed. Okay, space is not allowed in C variables. Similarly, fourth rule of making variables or applying variable is it should contain maximum length should be 31. Okay, maximum length should be 31. Now we are you are getting all these 4 points. Now let's take an example. Suppose you are writing a simple interest program, right? Then in simple interest program you will be required rate of interest, number of years, like that. So how to make that variable name very effectively? Suppose you can also give rate of interest as suppose x, y, z, and equals to rate of interest is 10%, but it is useless. So for the basic understanding of variable, give name like that ROI equals to 10%. It's basically very effective. Rate of interest, okay, ROI, rate of interest is there, because it will also make useful to you and to your clients also. Or if you are programming for any competitive exam, then your evaluator also. And number of year like that, NOY equals to 5 years. Means basic example how to write C variable. It's very important because we are seeing here as a very simple thing, but in software engineering or if you will go in industry, then the simplest thing, like simple things like that is very important, because speed and accuracy always matter in industry, because without speed and accuracy your program is useless. Because if you are writing a program whose cost is more or whose complexity is more, then it's useless. If your program is consisting of very tricky things, then it's useless. But if your program is very simple and do the things that the user requires in a very simple manner, that can be understood by all the team members. Okay, so this kind of notations are very important. So these are the C variables, right? So guys, I think you have you have grasped all these details about C variables. In our upcoming lectures, we will see C keywords and upcoming topics of C language. So please subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can get more and more videos and more knowledge from our side. And further, if you have any kind of query, then you can write your query or you can visit our website arihantonlineacademy.com, which is mentioned in your description also. Okay, so because in YouTube there is a policy that we can't reply to your comments, because it will consider as a spam that we are forcing you to come to our video like that. Okay, so you should visit this website, and if you have any kind of query, we will resolve your query here. Okay, so I think it's clear from our side about C variables. We will see you soon in our next lecture. Thank you so much. Hey guys, welcome to Arihan Online Academy. Guys, in this video we will discuss about C keywords. So what are C keywords? Basically, keywords are the words whose meaning is already explained to the compiler, or you can say like that, these words whose meaning is already defined in the computer after installation of the compiler. That kind of words whose meaning is already explained or already defined to the computer, that on coming this kind of words you have to use that kind of function. These words are called as keywords. But if we talk about technical language, then you can say that the words which have their meaning already defined in the compiler are called as keywords. Keywords are also called as reserved words. They are also called as reserved words because their meaning is already explained to the compiler. That's why they are called as reserved words. Okay. Now, there are total 32 keywords in C. Basically, if we talk about C language or C programming language, many times in interviews, interviewer asks to the candidates how many keywords in the C. You know here also, but at the time of interview, the candidate goes flaws and like that, and he don't know. So you have to remember this value. This is important. Many times, many examinations, many competitive examinations, objective type questions are also called, also asked that how many keywords are in C. So total 32 keywords, standard keywords, are in the C language. Okay, but Microsoft and other compiler vendors, they are also called as ASM is also keyword, but according to the standard authority, only these 32 keywords which we will discuss in our upcoming lectures in our continuation of the lecture, these 32 keywords are standard, and you, if the question is come or if interviewer asks you question that how many keywords are there, then you should answer total 32 keywords are there in the C language. Now, what about Microsoft and other compiler vendors? They say that ASM and many other words are also keywords. So the standard authority said that if you want to use ASM and other words as a keyword, then use 2 underscore in front of them. Means 2 times underscore in front of them and use that word in the keyword list. But if you talk about C language, these 32 keywords are there. I just told you this point for the information point of view, right? Now, what are 32 keywords? Auto, break, case, care, constant, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, sign, size of, static. Struct means structure, switch, type definition, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and while. These are the 32 keywords which are reserved in the C library. Now, if you are using any variable in your program, and if you are giving the name of variable to this name auto, suppose you are giving variable name auto equals to 5, then I suggest don't use reserved words because they are already reserved. In the compilation time, it may create any error. If it passed into compilation, okay, it may create your error in execution time as well. That's why I will suggest you while code, don't use this kind of these keywords in variable names. Okay, use variable name according other than this. It's okay. Other than this, use variable name. Don't use this because if you are using this keyword in programming language at the time of creation of function, classes, or at the time of creation of variables, then it will create some kind of error there. So, for the point of view programming, I just told you this point. So guys, this 32 keywords we will discuss in our upcoming lectures at the relevant time when we will discuss the related topic to them. So guys, in our upcoming lecture, we will see further more topics related to C language, and we will also provide you job notifications, reasoning topics, quantitative aptitude, English for all government type examinations. So guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel and do please press bell icon button also so that you can get instant notification from our channel. Thank you so much.